Hello to all of my peeps out there. Today we are drawing anime teenagers. This is a particularly fun group to draw for me because of the myriads of emotions. Okay, let's start off with drawing a teen boy. Key features to keep in mind are a longer rectangular face shape, angular and well-defined eyebrows, more on the thicker side, bigger eyes to emphasize youth, an obvious nose, undefined cheekbones, or not as defined cheekbones, and we want smaller and angular ears. So keep them small because the ears keep growing as we age, and do not make them round because that gives off a more baby vibe. It helps to give your teen character a crazy or trendy style for their hair or clothing because teenagers in real life are always experimenting with new styles. This boy, for example, his head was always shaved as a buzz cut when he was a kid. So currently he's growing his hair out to the max in retaliation. Finally, the body of a teen boy is still developing and growing. It's going to be less defined than a man's body would be, but you can throw in some muscles in there. Alright, next up we have the teen gals. They're going to be similar but different from the boys. Their heads are going to be more on the round side. We're going to have arched, well-defined eyebrows on the a little bit thinner than the boys. The nose is going to be obvious but smaller. Eyes, again, are going to be large to portray youth. The ears are going to be small and angular, again. And the cheekbones, not as defined. Same with the boys. Lastly, do not forget to give your teen girl a crazy or trendy style. So for this gal, we're going to make her up to date with all of the fashion trends so that she can be more stylish than all of her peers. Okie dokie, it is time for the essential review. For teenage boys, we have a more rectangular face shape. We've got well-defined arched eyebrows, an obvious nose that's longer than the girls. The eyes are going to be big to portray youth. The ears are going to be small and angular, and we're not going to have very obvious cheekbones. For the girls, it's going to be similar, except for the face shape is rounder, and the eyebrows are thinner. Use these tips to make yourself some good teens, peeps. Thank you for watching this video again. If you enjoyed the content, may I suggest you subscribe to the YouTube channel? Yeah. If you want to influence the content of my future videos, do check out my art accounts on X and Instagram, or both, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!